Alright, today I'm going to show you guys this Crock-Pot portable lunchbox. It's great to take, some warm food with you on the go, and you can easily heat it up. So I will take off the lid right here. So that's how it looks on the inside. So I just heat it up for like a second, so it's not really hot yet. So here is the stainless steel bowl. It will hold up to 20 ounces. This is Dishwasher-Safe too. So you will put this in here, and you'll put the airtight lid on there. Whatever food you want to bring in with you, so you can easily tighten it like that. And then to take it off, you'll just untighten it. It does kind of get in there pretty tight, so just be careful. Also, when you're putting the original pot on, make sure you put it over this little metal pole. And then I put the cap back on. It's got the handle. Like I said, you just plug it in to heat things up. So I'll plug it in down there. And then I do like the way this is designed, where you can easily wrap it up to put it away. So to stow it away, you'll just do it like this. And then I think I did that right. Yeah, there it goes. So it stows away like that. So it's compact, easy to put away, doesn't take up a lot of room. Yeah, that's what you're going to get with the Crock-Pot mini lunchbox.